Hello and welcome to Goka TV. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more trending content. 10 things you might not know about Sisi Quadri. Number 1. Tolani Quadri Oyebamiji, also known as Sisi Quadri, was a popular Nigerian actor in Yorubamovies. He was born on December 26, 1979 in Iwo, Osun State, Nigeria. He went to school in Ore, Ondo State for both his primary and secondary education. He moved back to Osun, his hometown, to study Arabic and Quran because his father wanted him to be a Muslim cleric. He later attended a fashion school where he learned fashion design and finished in 1999. He also trained as a makeup artist. Number 3. His journey to fame began in the year 2000 when he relocated to Lagos State and met many celebrities. Number 4. He started acting in 2002 in a movie called Kotoaye, directed by the late Alhaji Ajiloye. The movie star came to the limelight after featuring in the movie Seranko Seniyan, released on December 4, 2004. With the advent of social media, he began skit making with his colleague Funmi Awelewa. The talented actor carved a niche for himself in the movie industry with his comic and insulting style of dialogue. He was also in demand as an MC and entertainer at parties and events. Number 7. He lost his mother a year ago. Number 8. With over 2 decades in the movie industry, Sisi Quadri featured in numerous Yoruba movies, including Anikulapo, The Return of Spectre, released on Netflix on the 1st of March 2024. Number 9. He was happily married and blessed with 4 children, 3 sons and a daughter. Number 10. He died on the 1st of March 2024 at the age of 44 due to kidney complications and was buried according to Islamic rites. May his soul rest in perfect peace.